back at it again. Finally, with this cold weather that we've been having, and we just lost a big mudfish right off the bat. Atticus had a huge mudfish.
It was like, I could tell there was something down there because I held on to it.
Oh, we got a bass anyway.
There you go, my boy.
Got a little bass.
You want to throw him back or keep him?
No, we're throwing him back. Uh-oh.
Maybe he'll flop himself out.
No, no. Come on, bro. I know you. Come on, buddy. Get out of here. Okay, what's going on here? What the heck are we on the bottom? Something hung on the bottom down there on the trolling motor. Stick or something. I don't want to suffer. I don't know. Yeah, it's a windy on this side of the lake. Uh-oh, found the bottom. Must be a limb or something right here, a log or something. No. Hit a log or something under the water there. And this poor lake, this lake used to be, oh, there was a fish. This lake used to be covered in grass, and now there's hardly any grass on here. I used to catch a lot of specks in here. A lot of big ones, but man. During hurricanes and I don't know what all kind of messed this lake up. Get hit? Oh. The motor must be bumping back there once in a while or something. Uh oh, get my pole. I got a fish on that pole. Look at there. Look at that speck came up and hit that. It was just dangling, barely touching the water on the backside. That's hilarious right there. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that. I realized your pole was going, so I ran.
It was just dangling barely in the water.
Bro, that's the second time something like this happened.
I know. Should we go?
First time I'm shaking. Now it's the ball.
Well, it's too windy over here, really. I'm just kind of hoping it might. There's one.
Well, there we go, my boy.
Oh, boy. Let's see how dark. Yeah. You'll keep. Thank God if I can get a hold of them. How dark emerald green these things are. Oh, freaking dark emerald green. Ready? This is called, we call this an Arizona jig because we buy them from a guy in Arizona.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
So we could go to Arizona and probably find a guy that has them.
Yeah, I mean, maybe. Just know the guy buys them. We buy them from. I still got a bunch of them. We buy them from Arizona.
There's a hole right there, but...
Put it out there on that point right there. Get up on the front of the boat. Put it out there on the point on the front. No, out there. Right out there. Out over there.
I can't see.
You can't see?
This freaking sun's blinding me in the water.
Oh. Right out here, dude.
Okay.
Don't go so deep. Too deep. There you go.
Well, I like fishing deep. Nice.
There we go, son. That's on the old Arizona jig. Oh, quit. Let go.
I was grabbing it so I didn't
Yeah,
go back in the
you
water.
don't need to. I got this. The old Arizona jig. Old Arizona jig. All right.
Three, my boy.
Three, my boy.
Oh, there's something in the water over
Yeah, probably a snake or or a little turtle or a little baby alligator. Don't freak out, man. It's just a.
Fish, baby.
All right, on the Arizona jig again.
Get it.
Pick up.
Wet panda, my boy.
Well, he's too little, but anyway.
Well, still, I got your phone.
Good job, good catch, brother.
That was funny. The stick might be the color.
Yeah.
Or it's just we're getting lucky.
All right, pick it up and set it back over there and fish with it a little bit. I'm trying to get a rag over here. On it.
I got a fish.
Oh, my man. Bluegill. Bluegill. All right. I got you, brother. That's a big one right there, ain't it?
Yeah, he's
A hog right
Think
there.
he's a keeper?
I mean, if you want to keep him,
I
you
want to
can.
keep him. I definitely want to keep him.
Okay, here you go.
Get my frickin'. Open your mouth, little brat.
You got him?
Yeah.
All right, catch your pole down.
Oh, the old Arizona jig. She's a
Bluegill catcher and a crappie catcher, huh? Hey, that's a good fish. That's a little fish.
that was fun.
Yeah.
I just picked it up.
Right.